welcome. This is my salon suite and I'm here to share this new peptide hair science treatment. It's a two-step process. So this is something you can only have in a salon. So this is something you come here, we schedule an appointment, or we add it on to any color service. So with Lena's hair here, we're going to use this as the first step, and this one is the salon treatment. So when Lena wants to get her hair colored, this is going to fill her hair 4 minutes prior to when I apply it, so that the color is going to go in deeper, you're going to get more shine, she's going to have more coverage, and she's going to have it last way longer. So what this product will do, not only for a treatment, if you do highlights or lowlights or even an all-over color, it's something that you can use as a standalone treatment. So say she doesn't even want to do a color service. So her hair, Lena's got really curly, frizzy, dry hair, weathered hair from styling, and it could really use a lot more elasticity, moisture, and so that's everything that the hair science is going to do. It's got peptides, it's got bond builders, it's got all this lightweight technology that's super refined to really compact into her hair and create an amazing change. Way better than any product I've ever used before, and it's only 4 minutes, guys, 4 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, this is the after. We've got long layers and we went with some beachy waves. So this is the K18 Leave-In Repair Mask. So it's super silky and lightweight. Voila! And so now I would tell Lena this is the home care that you want to take home with you, and you can use this every time you style your hair as a leave-in conditioner. Wash as normal and then use just a little pea-size amount if you've got longer hair like this, more of a dime size, and then you're good to go. You're going to have silky, healthy hair. You can prevent future damage from heat styling, and there you go.